What's on offer today at 333 McLeod Street is an endless amount of opportunity. This property is essentially two homes in one. Come take a look. This large Queenslander style home was raised and had downstairs built in 2009. The property features a modern flair and style and a clever design. The downstairs section of the home features a modern style and offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with a private entrance, air conditioning, laundry and back patio. Upstairs offers a more traditional Queenslander feel with casement windows, front and rear balconies, high ceilings, and 2 bedrooms plus an office or additional bedroom to complete the home. Whether you're looking to generate multiple incomes from this home, live upstairs, rent out downstairs, run an Airbnb, or simply have a large extended family, this property really does represent so many opportunities. If it is of interest, make sure you give me a call today to arrange an inspection or attend one of our advertised open homes. I look forward to speaking to you soon.